In Master Azerbaijani word of the day, I have gaza. Gaza. Gaza is accident, crash, or collision. Let's take a look at some phrases and then sentences. Phrases first. Ciddi gaza, serious accident. Avtomobil gazası, car crash. Did you notice? Avtomobil. You're right when you say avtomobil. That's only because avtomobil is a loan word from Russian. And in Russian, they write it avtomobil, but they will speak it as avtomobil. And since Azerbaijan was part of Soviets for a long time, there will be, and you already have seen this, a lot of loan words, and that's one of those cases. Avtomobil gazası, car crash. Yüngül gaza. Yüngül is light, minor collision. Okay? Now sentences. Səhər işə gedərkən körpü yaxınlığında baş verən qəza səbəbindən şəhərdə böyük tıxac yarandı və bütün avtobus marşrutları xeyli gecikdi. Same case here. A lot of loan words. We'll go through them one by one, but first let's see what does this sentence mean even.